Hey guys, welcome to Did You Know with Railbot Wildlife Edition. How many of you remember this guy? He's from the Kung Fu Panda movie, right? Correct! Did you know that he's a real animal, not just a figment of the writer's imagination? Follow me, let's know more about it. Pandas are a species of bears. There are 8 species of bears, but only 2 species of pandas, which is the black and white panda, which is Po, and the red panda, which is Master Shifu. Pandas are wild animals. Despite being fluffy and clingy, they enjoy seeing friends and often put their friends' feelings ahead of theirs. Pandas love cuddles and wear their hats on their sleeves. See this video of how clingy pandas can be. Do you think pandas should be considered as wild animals, considering how fluffy and cuddly they are? Let's hear your thoughts in the comment section. See you in our next video. Bye.